What is up, everyone? Welcome back to a new year. So today, this goal for this year, we're going to try to build as many relationships as we can and try to get to 5,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. But as you guys can tell from today's video, we're going to be doing something that should have been done a long time ago whenever the car went out to get painted. But basically, this is what we're going to do. We picked up some Nardo Gray paint. It's actually the paint code from an Audi A7 or RS7 actually. And we actually picked up 2K Clear, and we actually got some scratch pads. So what we're going to be doing, we're actually going to be painting up the engine bay inside the BMW and a little bit of the visible chassis. Hopefully everybody had a good New Year's. This is the first video of the year, so let's kick it off with a bang. So we're going to be, so this is a quick DIY, so you guys can do it at the house. You don't have to take it to a paint booth or anywhere to do this. It's really radical. You can pick this up at O'Reilly, so this is what we did. Their paint's actually pretty well, to be honest. And we just picked up 2K Clear. You can pick this up from Amazon, and you can pick this up Scotch-Brite from O'Reilly's as well, or Amazon. But all in all, we probably iced this. I got 2 cans of this. My engine bay is not that big. You can get to 4 cans. I'm doing about probably 4 coats of the Nardo Gray and probably 3 coats of the clear. And that's the way I'm gonna tackle it, but you guys can tackle it however you like. But that's what we're gonna be doing. Cleaned up the engine bay as much as I can with engine bay degreaser, and of course microfiber towels and masking everything off. We masked everything off in the engine bay, trying to get this prepped and clean so it's ready for paint. Want to make sure I don't get this color onto the new paint as well. But hopefully you guys enjoy, so let's get started. I prepped the car already, so I don't want to bore you guys with it, but I removed as many things as I can, like the intake, the secondary air pump, the windshield reservoir, masking up a lot of places that I can. But that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. This is a quick little sneak peek of the color that we're going to be doing. The color we're doing is Nardo Gray, so it's something to complement the actual black paint on the car. This ugly silver looking color does not fit this color of the car. So we're doing a little more, something a little nicer, so we're going to go with the Nardo Gray. But let me go ahead and pretty much I'm literally just going to wipe it down really quick one more time and put some paper against over here and get to painting. Oh my god, guys, this color on this car looks phenomenal. So I just did one quick coat on the car, and again, it's Nardo Gray. This is just the first coat. It's still got to go, but like, gosh, this color looks so much better with the black. Like, it complements it really, really well. Again, majority of the thing is just prep. Make sure you prep properly, clean up all the surfaces. As you see, like, I only did a light coat everywhere, and the only trouble is getting down over here. The reason why I didn't want to pull out the engine is because I want to show you guys like how to do this whenever you guys are at the house, so you don't have to take it to a shop, pull the motor out, whatever. Again, that's doing it right, but I'm gonna do this like a DIY, show you guys at the house, wherever you guys are at, how to do it. Like, again, like, been able to get all the way back there, just so that way whenever it goes to shows, it looks clean. But I'm gonna let this dry, let it cure for a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw on the second coat. Alright, so another thing I want to share with you guys is basically the proper prep surface, prepping for the car. Basically, I picked up the Scotch-Brite from O'Reilly's as well. It's like $2 for this. Basically, you want to use this to scuff up a little bit of the area. You're not going to use sandpaper or anything like that. You just use this just to make the surface a little smooth, so that way the paint will actually tag to it. I'm not using any kind of primer. A lot of people may roast me for if I'm not using primer, but this one doesn't require primer. But I am going to shoot clear on it, so that way it's going to be a lot nicer and cleaner. But this is looking out really, really well. So like, check this out, guys. Like, this is a lot nicer than the ugly silver that I had, like, and it complements the black really well. I have some other stuff coming out for this engine bay, which is why I'm trying to get this done first. It could be a motor swap, it could be other stuff, whatever. But again, you gotta stay on watching on this channel to see what's about to happen for this baby, and for the other baby that's supposed to be right here, and the other baby that's other babies that are outside. But this is just to give you guys a quick idea. Like, this is super easy to do. Like, again, make sure like it's like 30 degrees outside. That's why I have the heat on, so that way it's gonna cure properly. And again, it's gonna do it over by itself. But Don't recommend doing this in the cold weather outside. Definitely doing like a small, like when there's heat, of course. Alright, so I've done about like 6 to 7 coats on this Nardo Gray, and I'm probably just gonna let it dry overnight and come back tomorrow and spray the clear. But let's just show you guys how so far it is. Right now the paint is still wet. It looks pretty nice, like has a nice little look to it, and of course like it's gonna look really nice with the other stuff that's gonna be going inside the engine bay. But like if you guys look at it, like this black with the Nardo Gray complements it really well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna I'm gonna leave it as it is, and right now it has about 7 coats of the Nardo Gray, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and shoot the clear. We're gonna be shooting with 2K clear. Picked it up, you can pick it up anywhere, to be honest. I picked it up at this one auto paint and body shop. O'Reilly doesn't have it, I'll be honest with you guys with that. But you can pick it up on Amazon, but use 2K clear, and I'll show you tomorrow what it looks like, okay? So, see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be shooting the 2K clear on the actual paint. As you guys can see, I already did some of the other pieces that I want to do, so it makes it look a little nicer. This is this holder for the secondary air pump, and I shot some of the clear on it, and it looks so nice. Look at that. It's a beautiful finish. I shot the clear on the engine bay already, but it looks really well. Like, I'm just gonna let this dry. It's been dry for a while, but we're gonna keep letting it dry, and then I'll come back, show you guys a little bit later when I remove everything so you guys can see a better finish. I've been doing the chassis right over here. Car's looking really good. What is up, everyone? It's the next day. The clear coat has dried. Like, everything is set and done for this BMW. Engine bay looks phenomenal. Let's show you guys. Like, so we did everything. Like, I did the support bar right over here. Later down the road, I'm gonna like fix that up. But guys, this looks absolutely freaking great. Like it's absolutely amazing. Like, I'm so happy with this. Like, we did everything all the way back over here. Again, guys, it's, to be honest, to get the perfect results, like you have to like mask everything up and like make sure you prep it properly. Like, cause like if you don't prep it right, it's not gonna turn out the best. So pretty much all it was is proper prep, and of course masking everything off, masking up all the wires. So what I'm gonna do now is just unmask everything and reassemble. Like, even this is the holder for the secondary air pump. This looks absolutely great. Like, it looks so good. So I'm very pleased with this. This looks great. Like I'm speechless. Like, this is absolutely amazing. Like, it looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and button all this stuff back up and get the car ready for the next surprise. Oh baby, look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh my goodness. Guys, again, the main thing is proper prep is the way you're gonna get best results. Man, this car just looks good. So there's a lot of shows that's gonna be coming up this year. Definitely want the engine bay to look pretty a lot more presentable than it was before. Before it was just an ugly silver. That was the color of the car. But now this car is a lot more gorgeous. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Got another mod coming out for this engine bay, so I'm not buying a lot of the stuff up. Gonna leave that for the next video. But that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. We have a lot more stuff coming out for this BMW, for this E46, but that's why I had to get this engine bay prepped and ready for it, because it's some things that's been needed for this car, but it hasn't been done. But thankfully, we got a surprise for you guys coming. So stay tuned for the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please share, subscribe, and like, and we'll catch you guys next video. See you guys.